Opay is a popular mobile banking app that allows users to perform various financial transactions. Keeping a record of your transaction is essential for financial management and record-keeping purposes. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can download your transaction receipt on Opay. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So let's get started. Now, the first step you have to take now is to tap on the Me icon, your profile icon. You can see it down there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on transaction history. So let me tap on transaction history. Now the next step you have to take now is to find and select the particular transaction that you want to download is transaction receipt. So you have to look for that particular transaction that you want to download the receipt. So now let me scroll down now to look for a particular transaction. Let me look for it. Right here you can see this particular transaction here. This is a transfer that I made to someone else. You can see it right there, the amount 5,000. So what you're going to do now is to tap on this particular transaction to select it. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, you can see here's the full details of this particular transaction. So now for you to be able to download the receipt of this particular transaction, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see share receipt. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. You can see it's loading. Right here guys is the transaction receipt. You can see it right there at the top being encircled. This is the transaction receipt. So now for you to actually download this and get it saved in your phone gallery, what you simply have to do now is either to tap on share as image, or you can tap on share as PDF. So guys can see it right there. Let me tap on share as image first of all. Let me tap on it. You can see what it says here. It says share receipt. So you can either share it to someone. Let me just choose WhatsApp. Let me share it to someone on WhatsApp. Let me choose WhatsApp. You can see guys, it's directing me to my WhatsApp now. So what I'm going to do now is to search the person I want to send it to. So let me search this person. Then let me select it. Then what I'm going to do now is to tap on send. Let me send it right away. You can see right here, this is a transaction receipt. So let me tap on send. You can see now I've downloaded and shared this transaction receipt to this person on WhatsApp. So let me minimize now and go back to my Opay account now to share it as PDF. So now let me log in with my details again. Then let me tap on login. So if I want to share it as a PDF and not as an image, then I'll tap on share as image. So let me tap on it on the right hand side. You can see now they said PDF saved. That means it has been saved to my phone. So what I'm going to do now is to go to share it to someone if I want. I can tap on WhatsApp. Let me share it to the same person. Then let me search out the person I want to send it to. Then let me select the person. Then let me tap on send. Then let me tap on send again. You can see guys, I've sent the transaction receipt as a PDF. You can see it right there. So once the person taps on it, the person is going to see the transaction receipt. You can see it's opening. This is transaction receipt as a PDF. Because now you can see I've downloaded, saved, and shared this transaction receipt both as an image and also PDF. So I can go over to my phone gallery now to actually see the image. You can see it right here. This is the image. It has been downloaded to my phone gallery. And also if you go over to your file manager, you're going to see the PDF as well being downloaded there. So guys, now I've been able now to show you how you can be able to download and share your transaction receipt from your Opay account. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.